Okay, bintigin. Boozhoo ni Anishinaabe Nanaboozhoo indigenous cause. And you're watching Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo, the show about Ojibwe language and culture. So yeah, today I thought a good word to learn would be the Ojibwe word for bear, right? So here comes Muckwa. Muckwa. That's right. And if there's two bears, it would be two muckwug with a G. Muckwa, one. Muckwug, two. And then there's the three bears. Y'all remember the three bears? And Goldilocks broke into their house, ate their food. Oh, this one's too hot. Well, wait a minute. It'll cool off. Jeez. So yeah, Muckwa, bear. And I found this little guy. Hello. I found this little guy in the road. I got up really early in the morning and I was walking around. And right there in the road, somebody had thrown away a bear. I felt so bad. It was all wet and dirty. So I picked him up and I took him home. I said, "Hey, Niji, you need a place to stay?" And he was like, well, he didn't say much. But I knew he wanted to come home. So I brought him home. And that's the story of the bear. And you know what? The teddy bear. Here's a story. Here's a story you kids might like. Do you know where the word teddy bear comes from? Teddy Roosevelt. That's right. He was a president. He was the greatest president who ever didn't shoot a bear. See, the story goes, the newspaper people, they wanted to have a photo op. Going to take some pictures of the president for the people. And they thought, hey, he's a good hunter. Let's go out and we'll get a bear, a live bear, and we'll have him shoot it as we take his picture. So they went out and they got this little bear cub. And they chained him to a tree. That's right, a tree. Can you believe it? And President Roosevelt came out with his gun and photographer. And he was like, I can't shoot that bear. And so I was like, oh, you're such a nice guy. Thank you for not shooting a defenseless bear. So they named the teddy bears after him. I think a cartoonist like made a cartoon go, oh, what a sweetheart. Didn't shoot a bear. Yeah. Anyway, that's my word for today. Muckwa, bear. And you've been watching Boozhoo Boozhoo. What are you watching? Boozhoo Nanaboozhoo. I don't even remember my own name sometimes. Okay, thank you very much. I'll see you again. Gigawa Bamin Minawa. I'll see you again. Gigawa Bamin Minawa.